Hey guys, Abraham here with Away Realty. Thank you so much for stopping by the open house on 351 21st Street. Just wanted to make a quick follow-up video and send you a quick recap of this awesome unit and some of the favorite features for me, okay? So you have an open concept layout, perfect for a living area and a dining room area as well. A fully renovated kitchen with brand new appliances. As we go into the bedroom, you have a bedroom that's big enough for a queen. Currently has a full and you have plenty of space to move around. One of my favorite things of this bedroom is that we have a full master suite, full with jacuzzi, and as we look down here, we also have storage space everywhere. You have a big closet in the bedroom as well. And now we're gonna take a quick look downstairs. Alright, down here is probably my favorite area. You have a full recreational room. This could be anything you want it to be, from a studio, office, or a formal living room. Even a cinema room, this would be perfect for that. Now, down here to the front of the building, you have a separate room with a separate entrance. So if you wanted to make this, again, an office, studio, or convert this into a bedroom, totally awesome. You also have a big closet here that extends the whole length of the wall. So plenty of space for storage. You have a big window, and as we go back into the recreational room, you have a full system for laundry and a full bathroom. Now if you don't want anybody to see your bedroom upstairs or use your bathroom, you can send them down here and they have their private bathroom as well. So, if you're interested in this unit, let's put an offer together, let's get the ball rolling. And if you have any questions or I can help you with any of your real estate needs, feel free to contact me anytime. I do everything from selling and helping buy apartments, so feel free to contact me with any questions and I'd love to be able to help you. Thank you.